Hello, North Frederick. It's Mr. Treml with Mr. Treml's 30-second science project. Today, we are going to lasso an ice cube in a bowl of water. Now, you ask yourself, Mr. Treml, that doesn't sound like all that fun, but I will show you how to do this. Take a string and tie a loop like that, and then stick another loop through it, tighten it, and then lasso. Oh, wait a minute. It's not working, but there's a trick. It's called salt. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour salt on top of the ice cube, stick the string on top of it, I'm going to wait. And what it's doing is the salt is melting the ice, which then decreases the temperature of the string. And then, voila! That concludes Mr. Treml's 30-second science project.